One of the most common questions we get in the Cricut community is, which Cricut machine should I buy? The good news, there isn't a wrong choice. Whether you choose a Cricut Joy 2, Joy Xtra, Explore 5, or Maker 4, you'll use the same free Cricut Design Space software to design, cut, write, and create. And no, you don't need to be a graphic designer. Design Space includes thousands of images, fonts, templates, and guided workflows that make creating easy for everyone. You can even upload your own designs. It works on iPhone, iPad, Android devices, Windows computers, and Mac computers. So, what's the difference between the machines? It really comes down to just four things: project size, materials you want to cut, features you need, and how much creative flexibility you want. Stay until the end because I'll share with you which Cricut machine I would personally recommend for different types of creators. Let's take a closer look. The Cricut Joy 2 is our most compact machine and the easiest way to get started with a Cricut. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere and incredibly beginner-friendly. Despite its size, it can create a wide variety of projects, as this machine is great for vinyl decals, greeting cards, full-colored stickers with print then cut, and personalized gifts. Choose Joy 2 if you mainly make smaller projects or if you have a small space, you're buying your first Cricut machine, and you craft primarily for fun and personal use. For many people, Joy 2 is all they'll ever need. But if you'd like more room to create, let's look at the Joy Xtra. Think of the Joy Xtra as the bigger sibling of the Joy 2. It keeps the compact size and simplicity people love while giving you more creative flexibility. The biggest difference is its support for A4 and letter-sized materials. That means larger stickers, larger labels, and larger projects overall. With the Joy Xtra, you can create die-cut and kiss-cut stickers, vinyl decals, personalized gifts, and small business products. Whether you're making stickers for fun, creating custom gifts, personalizing apparel, or starting a sticker side hustle, Joy Xtra gives you much more creative freedom while remaining compact and easy to store. Choose Joy Xtra if you love making stickers, you usually work with A4 and letter-size projects, you want more flexibility than the Joy 2, and you prefer a compact machine with room to grow. But what if you want to create larger projects? That's where the larger Cricut machines come in. Say hi to the Cricut Explore 5. This is where Cricut opens up an entirely new world of possibilities. The Explore 5 is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, families, teachers, event planners, and small business owners who want to create larger projects and work with a wider variety of materials. With a full 12-inch cutting width, faster cutting speeds, and support for over 100 materials, the Explore 5 gives you significantly more room to create. Whether you're creating for yourself, your family, your community, or your customers, the Explore 5 gives you the versatility to tackle more ambitious projects. Choose Explore 5 if you want to create larger projects, you love DIY and personalized creations, you're planning to start a side hustle or business, you want excellent value and versatility. For many people, Cricut Explore 5 becomes the perfect balance between capability and affordability. But if you want the ultimate cutting machine available, let's take a look at the Cricut Maker 4. Now, meet the Cricut Maker 4. Whether you're a passionate DIY enthusiast, a dedicated crafter, or a small business owner, this machine gives you the freedom to create anything you can imagine. Everything the Explore 5 can do, the Cricut Maker 4 can do too. But it also unlocks an entirely new category of projects. With support for over 300 materials and advanced tools, the Maker 4 can cut, draw, score, deboss, perforate, and engrave. Let's take a look at the different tips we can swap around with our quick swap housing. We have the engraving tip, debossing tip, perforation blade, and our wavy blade. We also have a scoring wheel, knife blade, and the rotary blade. This is what truly separates the Cricut Maker 4 from other Cricut machines. These tools unlock entirely new creative possibilities. With the Maker 4, you can work with materials such as wood, fabric, leather, and other specialty products. This is where Cricut evolves from a cutting machine into a whole, complete creative platform. Many Cricut owners eventually upgrade because later on they discover new crafts and ideas that they did not think about doing in the first place. Choose the Maker 4 if you want the most capable cutting machine, you work with a variety of materials, you enjoy learning new crafting techniques, you plan to sell premium products, and you don't want to outgrow your machine. If you want one Cricut machine that will grow with you for years, the Maker 4 is a hard one to beat. Still not sure? Here's the simplest way to think about it. The Cricut Joy 2 is best for small, everyday projects, especially when making labels, cards, decals, and stickers, while the Joy Xtra is perfect for A4 and letter-size projects, stickers, apparel, and other personalized gifts. For larger projects like shirts, signs, party and home decor, and DIY creations, get the Cricut Explore 5. If you want to engrave, deboss, or work with thin and thick materials, the Maker 4 is the ultimate Cricut machine for maximum creativity, versatility, and future growth. One thing we've learned about the Cricut community is that creativity tends to grow. What starts as making labels often turns into stickers, then personalized gifts, then shirts, then bigger decorations, and even a small business. That's why I always recommend choosing a machine based not only on what you want to make today, but what you might want to make 6 months or a year from now. If you're mainly creating smaller projects, Joy 2 or the Joy Xtra may be all you need. But if you're interested in larger projects, I would strongly recommend looking at the Explore 5 or the Maker 4. And if your budget allows, get the Maker 4 because this gives you the most room to grow because it supports the widest range of materials, tools, and project types. No matter which Cricut machine you choose, you will get access to the same easy-to-use design space software and a 2-year local warranty when purchased from authorized Cricut resellers. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What would you like to make with a Cricut? Tell us in the comment below and we'll help you choose the perfect Cricut machine for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to a friend who's thinking about getting a Cricut. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.